Bitgert is among the most consistent crypto projects when it comes to growth and development. The Bitgert team has accomplished a lot in the 9 months since the project's launch. The team has delivered so many products compared to any crypto projects that launched in 2021. In fact, Bitgert has been the fastest growing cryptocurrency today. In this video, I'm going to explain Bitgert and its price prediction for 2025. Reminder, this is just information, not a piece of advice that you should use Anchor Protocol. Nevertheless, let's get straight to the topic. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all of the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we'll talk about 4 main things. What is Bitgert? Most powerful blockchain, its price prediction for 2025. Crypto analysts say that Bitgert shall reach the $100 billion market cap. This is after analyzing the crypto project and seeing the massive potential it has to become the next big thing. So what'll make Bitgert skyrocket from the current $500 million market cap to $100 billion market cap? Here are some of the factors that will make this growth a reality. One of the biggest reasons why Bitgert shall reach a $100 billion market cap is the powerful blockchain the team has built. The Bitgert team has built a chain that addresses the blockchain trilemma. The Bitgert BRC20 blockchain has the fastest speed, lowest gas fee, and the most secure chain. The Bitgert blockchain is also highly interoperable, with the Bitgert bridge enabling multiple networks to use this chain. The blockchain also offers smart contract functionalities. These are major features making Bitgert the most powerful blockchain in the market. The Bitgert market cap growth is also being driven by the fast-growing ecosystem. The Bitgert blockchain ecosystem has been the fastest growing over the past few months, and this is evident from the fast delivery of the Bitgert roadmap. The roadmap V1 was delivered in a record 6 months. Among the products from this roadmap is the Bitgert BRC20 blockchain. The Bitgert team has already started building the products in the roadmap V2, which has a range of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 products. The timelines for these products' delivery is very short. This means a fast-growing Bitgert ecosystem. This is the roadmap that will cause mass adoption of the Bitgert coin. That's how the Bitgert market will skyrocket. The Bitgert market cap is also going to be skyrocketed by the Bitgert Startup Studios program projects. According to the Bitgert team, there will be 3+ projects that will be launched every week, and the objective is 1,000+ projects in 12 months. These projects are going to grow the Bitgert adoption exponentially. That's how the market cap will skyrocket. These 3 major factors explain why Bitgert shall reach the $100 billion market cap. The bottom line is that Bitgert has everything to be the next big cryptocurrency. It has a powerful blockchain and an unmatched blockchain ecosystem growth. Crypto analysts have predicted Bitgert price shall reach $0.0001 this year. This prediction was arrived at after looking at the developments Bitgert posted so far and the massive developments coming in 2022. Note that the Bitgert price is already doing well in the crypto market compared to most projects. How possible is it for the Bitgert price to be $0.0001? Well, Bitgert hit a new all-time high of $0.00000183 in early March 2022. This was at a time when the rest of the crypto market was crashing. The new all-time high was reached after the launch of Bitgert BRC20 blockchain, which brought a lot of hype to the Bitgert project for being the first gasless blockchain in the world. In the year 2025, many cryptocurrencies will launch along with the cryptocurrencies. Many cryptocurrency exchange platforms will also launch, which will boost the price of the cryptocurrency. As the cryptocurrency price may also increase since it will list in the other exchange platform. It was expected that the price of Bitgert will cross the value of $0.000841 mark by the end of the year 2025, but with the price having pulled back to $0.00000710 as of speaking, there is so much that the Bitgert team will need to do to hit $0.0001. However, the Bitgert project has the potential to even surpass the $0.0001. The fast delivery of the Bitgert ecosystem will be one of the biggest drivers towards reaching $0.0001. The Bitgert team has so much coming up in the next few months, which will skyrocket the price. First, the fast-growing adoption of the Bitgert BRC20 blockchain is one of the reasons why price will continue growing bullish. But there are more disruptive products coming up that are expected to increase the adoption of Bitgert. These products are in the roadmap v2 and others will be built by the Sensex project. The Bitgert project has DeFi, NFT and Web3 products in the roadmap v2, including a SEX, PayBrice, Web3 Oracle and a powerful NFT marketplace. These products are going to make Bitgert the most adopted project, and this will skyrocket the price to $0.0001. The Bitgert and Sensex partnership will also bring more products into the Bitgert ecosystem. There are also 1,000 plus Bitgert-backed projects that Startup Studio is adding to the Price ecosystem. Most of these Bitgert developments are happening in 2022. That's why crypto analysts believe that Bitgert shall hit $0.0001. This means Bitgert will have posted one of the fastest price growths in the crypto market, which is a possibility. As per the recent spike in prices, Bitgert has proved that it can surprise investors with massive returns. Bitgert Coin is one of the fastest growing DeFi projects, and cryptos with real use cases can be strong by nature. As per our price analysis, the long-term investment in Bitgert Coin appears to be a good option to consider. If more investors are attracted to the project, the prices of Bitgert can skyrocket in the upcoming years. But we'd like to suggest our viewers to do some personal level analysis and study before making any crypto investment. That wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.